Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and gathering tools so installation doesn't stall. This avoids cutting the wrong harness. Once you've unboxed the unit, compare connectors to the OEM harness and the adapter kit and check mounting depth. Make sure to remove the negative battery terminal to protect electronics. When done, label each wire and take photos of the stock connections so you can reverse or reference later. This preparation saves time and prevents damage during the first physical connections. Now you proceed to wiring and mounting. Match wire colors and verify functions rather than assuming they align. Use the adapter harness to preserve the OEM loom, splice with solder or crimp, and insulate with heat shrink where required. Once connected, secure a solid ground to bare metal and confirm ACC and constant 12V with a multimeter before powering up. Then install the dash kit, slide the head unit into place, and route antenna and USB cables cleanly to avoid interference or pinching during. Finally, power the unit and complete first-run setup. Language, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth pairing, GPS calibration, and screen alignment so navigation and audio sync correctly. Once done, update firmware and configure steering wheel controls using the adapter or learning function to keep safety features intact. If something goes wrong, start simple. Check the fuse, confirm battery connections, and remeasure ACC/constant voltages. For sound problems, verify speaker wiring, ground, and head unit gain settings. These steps resolve most final stage issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.